Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Sips By. This is my monthly tea subscription for October. So they do give you a card which shows all the types of tea, their caffeine level, promo code, steeping instructions, all sorts of stuff. So I'll show that again at the end. And let's just dig in. So I always get a mix of bag tea and then loose tea. So when you get the loose tea, they give you these little baggies that you can fill. I love them. Very easy to use. So the first one I'm seeing is from Mad Tea. And this is a Earl Grey black tea. These are already in little baggies, so when you get those, you get 4. So that's my first one. Then we have Vanilla Chai Organic Tea. This is caffeine free and it has cinnamon in it. I bet that's really good. I like chai. So that's number 2. Third one is Made of Tea and Nothing Else. Gunpowder Black Tea from China. It's called madeoftea.com. It smells good. I'm smelling something. I don't know if it's this one in particular or one of the other ones, but nice simple packaging. And then the last tea, Cookie Tea. This is a green tea with low caffeine. Ooh. Enjoy decadent caramel in the salted caramel cookie green tea. A hint of salt complements the layered flavors of caramel, cocoa butter for a unique treat. Ooh. That's exciting. Cute packaging. So those are the teas I got in my October box. If you got an October box, yours could be completely different just based on your profile and how you answered and which teas you like and things like that. So here's my card again with all that extra information. I have a good mix of caffeine levels. And yeah, that's what I got this month. If you guys are interested, I have a link below in case you'd like to sign up for your own box. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.